welcome to my channel. My name is Lori and welcome to my lovely Texas home. So today's video, we are in my kitchen, as you can tell. So today's video is a cook and clean with me video, which I am so excited for. I've been wanting to do a video like this for the longest time. I just never got around to it. So I'm going to be doing some cooking tonight with Home Chef. Here we have our Home Chef box. So when you open it, it's going to have the meals that you selected. So I picked this one. It is a pot roast steak. It looks so good. I also got these turkey burgers. That looks so delicious. And the last dish I got was the shrimp dish. Everything's fresh, everything stays fresh. So if you're at work and you come home to this box outside your door, it's not going to be all disgusting and gross. It's all fresh. So we have some buns. That's awesome. And everything comes in its own little, I like that. So as you can see here, this is for the pot roast. This is for the turkey burgers with the sweet potatoes, because the sweet potato fries. This last one is for the shrimp. So you see the tomatoes, the red peppers, all types of stuff in there. And at the very bottom, so this is all the meats here. So you have the ice packets. All the meat is down here. So you have the seed to table shrimp. Behind that you have your steaks and then your turkey. So after I asked Daryl what he wanted, he chose the turkey burgers. So I got started on that. I love these meal kit services because it comes with everything. As you can see here, it has all the ingredients you need. You don't have to think about it and you just cook. I'm not the best cook. I don't really like cooking, but I love cooking with meal kits. A really cool thing about Home Chef is this cute little binder that comes with the box. I love that you can put all the recipes in there that you choose, and it's really cute. I love recipe books, so I got really excited when I saw that. So right now all I'm doing is I am mixing everything with the ground turkey. So if you guys are like me and you don't really like meal prepping or grocery shopping, I definitely recommend going with the meal kit service. Home Chef is one of the best in my opinion. I've tried multiple ones, and Home Chef had the most options for choices on what to eat, which I love. They had 12 different options to choose from, which I thought was amazing. So if you guys want to try Home Chef, make sure you guys use the code LORI30. I will link it down below as well, so you guys can go try it out and get $30 off your first order. The thing I love about meal kit services is, as you can see here, I added a lot of stuff into this ground turkey that I never would have thought to add, because most of the time I'm too scared to try new things. But with meal kits, you get to try new things, and it's awesome because most of the time that I've tried new meals, I end up loving, and I end up just adding that to my recipe book. So this right here, guys, this garlic pepper seasoning from Williams-Sonoma is amazing. I put this on everything. Go to your Williams-Sonoma store and get it. You will not regret it, I promise. So while dinner is being finished up, I like to clean a little bit. So since I like to clean after I cook with the pots and pans, I want to make sure I don't have that much stuff to do. So I like to do some stuff while I'm cooking. So right now I'm just emptying the dishwasher out and putting some dirty dishes in there. So I'm just checking on the potatoes right now, and I am also going to prep the pretzel buns to be toasted, because in the recipe it says to toast them. I've never really toasted our buns, but I said why not just try it, and I ended up loving it. So that's all I'm doing right now. Please excuse the dirty oven. Snack time? So this is real life, people, right here. Not everybody's dining table is always together. Sometimes you go grocery shopping And you don't put stuff away. That's just how life is. This was our life right here. The last week and a half, month, the whole 2018. Just a lot of vitamins and being sick. Okay, a lot of people ask how the pantry is doing. So we left to Florida and my mom and dad were taking care of the house. So she emptied all this stuff out because a lot of stuff went bad and I have not cleaned this up. I have not cleaned this up since we came back from Florida, which was in late December. But this is real life, guys. It's hard to keep a pantry organized the way you had it exactly. But I do plan on reorganizing this, so I probably will make a video. But the concept is still the same. I still have these white little wire baskets. I still have these galvanized baskets. I still try to keep things organized as possible. I'm actually going to do a video on these meal plan baskets very soon. And I'm out of breath because I've been running around. But yeah, so I'll be doing a pantry video very soon. And organize this to the exact way it was before we left to Florida. So now I'm just prepping the dinner, you guys. I cannot say how much we loved this meal. If you guys don't like to cook like me, or you guys are going out to eat too much, I definitely recommend going with Home Chef, and I definitely recommend clicking the link down below so you guys can get $30 off your first order. These burgers were so good. All the other meals were so freaking good. There are so many meal options to choose from, and it's also no contract, so it's definitely a win-win. So I just want to thank Home Chef for sponsoring this video. And thank you guys for sending me amazing food. So now I am just using my favorite little robot vacuum. This thing is so cool. Yuffie actually sent it over to me and I have been in love with it ever since I've got it. So I will link this down below so you guys can go check it out. It is way cheaper than the iRobot, but it does the job the same. So I'm really impressed with it. So now I am just going to be cleaning up the mess from all the cooking. You can see the robot vacuum in the back. I like to clean everything the same day when I cook. I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I do leave this in the sink, but most of the time I like to clean it out because it just gets nasty after a while. So that's what I'm doing right now. So now I'm just reorganizing all the stuff I used for dinner. And that's all for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this cook and clean with me. Don't forget to use my link to go try Home Chef out. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!